like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm coming at you with this month's ice cream box. Now, when you open it, it looks like this. And I did take out all the peanuts because they're the biodegradable peanuts. And they tend to get all over my house. So, I just started taking them out before I came on screen because, you know, I'll have a fit and shit. Anyway, this is May's, and you get a card every month. And I'll have all the information down below in the description. And this month's value is, I believe. But anyway, the first thing I'm pulling out is BFC. I believe it's Beauty for Certain. And it's created by artist BIA. And she's mostly known for the song Whole Out of Money and from her For Certain album. And this is a lip gloss, hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, lightly plumping. And it's valued at $22. So we'll just take this out. And that's what it looks like. It's a cute bottle. Cute packaging. And it looks like that. I'll be the judge. It's not sticky. I don't feel any tingle. But it does have a slight color. Let me just put it on my hand and see if I can. Yeah, there's just a slight tint to it. So if you wanted to wear it by itself, you really could. And I know my lips are brighter today than they normally are. I'm trying to accept what God gave me. Okay, the next thing is Duochrome liquid eyeshadow. This is a $19 value. Come on, come out. Well, it's cute packaging. Who does this? Who does this? Liquid Duochrome eyeshadows by Chantico Beauty. Ooh, it's definitely Duochrome. See that? Definitely. You can spread it out to make it thicker or better. You could also use this as a highlighter. It'd be a great highlighter. But it's got like purples and whites and, well, that other colors. Let's put it on a little thicker. Put it on a little thicker just so we can get some more of the colors in it. See it. See purple, white, a little bit of red. So that's nice. I'll try that one day. And we'll see how it goes. And then you got this, which is a lip liner. And it's Bel Air lip liner by Gerrad Cosmetics. Now, a lot of people really like Gerrad Cosmetics. And this is the color. And that is the swatch. I'm trying to be more. Then we got this. I don't know what this is. Third Rose Blusher by somebody. SUROSL. Here's the name. See, I got a screw. And it's a blush. Oops. And that's what it looks like. Here, let me do it on this arm because this arm is more mobile. And that's what that looks like. But you just take your brush in here and it's actually on the rose. So that's interesting. That's something different. But that's the shade. Excuse all my little track marks. Never been a healthy person. And then, let's see how much, that was worth $18 from Gerrad Cosme. Oh no, that was worth $30. The 3D Rose Blusher by SUROSK-US. And then we have, last thing we have is our palette, and it's virtual. And it's Gourmande Girls Cosmetic Ice Cream Exclusive. You could have got Power or Virtual, and I got Virtual. Oh, one of my pans. When you know, the pan called glitched. So you're going to press it back down in there. Sometimes you can get away with that. No, I can't do it on that hand because I can't. We found out last time I can't show it to you once I do. Now, when you have these highly glitterized things, it's best to put to dampen your blusher. But those are the two glitters. Then I'll do and those are the mattes. Be easier if I could. Let's try this yellow. There's the yellow. I don't know if you can see it. My arms don't move right, and it makes it very hard. And then we'll put this one right over top of my nasty old veins. So that's a sample of those, and they're pretty well pigmented. I don't know if you can see that as well as I can. So yeah, another great box from Eyescream. This is my favorite makeup box. Out of everything I get, this is the favorite. I did quit the bag because I was getting so much accumulation. But the box is $25, and that includes shipping. And you get 5 to 7 items, and those are full-size items. And the bag, I believe, is like, it comes out to be like $16, $17 with shipping, because they do charge shipping on that one. So, I mean, you really can't beat it. It's a great bargain, and it's one of my favorites. So if you like what you see, hey, come on back, join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and it's nice to see you. Bye.